Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a Lincoln MKC. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Take a moment to locate the battery. It's usually found under the hood, but sometimes it might be in the trunk or under the rear seat. Safety first, always. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Once loose, remove the negative cable and ensure it's safely tucked away, not touching any metal. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This ensures the battery is free and ready for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Gently place the fresh battery into its designated tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Reattach and tighten the hold-down clamp or strap to secure the battery firmly in place. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal cable last, making sure both connections are very secure and tight. You're almost done. Before closing up, double-check all your connections to ensure they are snug and secure. Now, start your Lincoln MKC to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You might need to reset some electronic systems, like your radio presets or clock. Finally, remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Most auto parts stores offer free battery recycling services, helping protect our environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.